Hey there again, this is Jeremy from Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon. Just a final video of this Storyteller Classic Mode with the VanCompass Stage 2.3 suspension upgrade, along with the Agile Offroad 5,400-pound rear leaf springs. It's what we consider a VanCompass Stage 4.3 Plus. It's essentially taking their Stage 4.3 kit and upgrading to full leaf springs from Agile based on the actual rear axle weight of the van. Again, this STO has a lot more componentry, interior build inside, which, as you saw in the first video, really sagged that rear end, whereas now the rear end's pretty level with the front. In the second video, the last video, forgot to show the Agile no rub fenders here, which are going to allow this client to go larger in tire size up to what's equivalent of a 275/70/17, which is a 32.2 inch tire. So those no rub fenders allow the larger tire size. You can actually go to that larger tire size with the no rubs without a suspension upgrade, but the Falcon shocks, very high quality, superior ride as far as not only ride quality but handling as well. So a lot more confidence in this van now with the suspension upgrade front and rear. So anyway, again, that's Jeremy from Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon. You can visit us on the web at www.matrixintegrated.cc, as in Charlie. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks. Happy traveling.